African food traditions shaped American cooking from the earliest colonial period. They arrived as systems of cultivation, seasoning, preservation, and shared labor. Across West and Central Africa, communities relied on okra, black-eyed peas, sorghum, yams, rice, and leafy greens. These ingredients became embedded in southern and regional cuisines in North America, not as additions, but as daily food. Cooking methods emphasized one-pot stews, grain porridges, fermentation, smoking, and seasoning built in layers over time. Flavor developed slowly. Heat, acidity, and depth were constructed deliberately. Meals were often communal. Food was prepared in large quantities and served from shared vessels. Knowledge moved through repetition, watching, tasting, adjusting. Recipes were remembered, not written. In American kitchens, these traditions adapted to local conditions. Corn joined rice. Local seafood entered stews. Cast iron replaced clay. The structure of the cooking, the sequencing, the layering, the communal rhythm remained intact. Dishes that became familiar across the South, okra-based stews, slow-cooked greens, rice paired with legumes, field peas simmered with seasoning, reflect African culinary architecture beneath regional variation. As these foods became widely recognized as Southern or simply American, their deeper lineage was rarely centered in the story. What endured was the method, how ingredients are combined, how flavor is built, how meals gather people around a table. African foodways are not secondary influences. They shape the way American kitchens cook. They remain embedded in the structure of the cuisine itself.